Now we're going to be starting our installation of our plank portion, which is at the bottom of the wall. And we're pretending that this is a rain screen wall that is required. So we're using our half back plates that have been cut, and we're going to segment and pre-drilled, and then we're going to segment them every 16 inches. So John is just putting a line here so he can... That's okay. There you go. John likes to use a screw as a...
You bet.
So we're going to be measuring, going to be cutting some planks. So we're measuring this from inside to inside. That's how long our planks are going to be. And you want to give yourself about 1/4 inch off the total inside length. So I'm measuring 68 1/4 right now. So we'll take 1/4 off of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 maybe. Try and measure how many planks we can actually install in here. And I think for the purposes of this wall, we're going to make it a multiple of the plank width, either 42 or 48. I think 48 we're going to be over, so we're going to have to plan for 7 of those planks. 68 there.